This next one, I need my friends Aher and King Lore. Aher and King Lore, if you guys are here on the side, I'm gonna need you guys up here with me, all right? And King. So we're gonna do the song one more time, but the fast version. Shout out to DJ Peter. I'm gonna need all you guys to jump with me, all right? Y'all ready? Stay fair. Minnesota, let's get hyped. Hey, shout out to and King. They're gonna be my side dancers to get you guys hyped, all right? So this one is Tagalog. Shout out to DJ Peter for his remix. We're gonna get lit to a sad song. Hopefully that's all right. Hey, you can take this side and you can take this side. Stay fair, y'all ready to jump with me? Hey, I see you.
Lucy heard you dance up there. Then one who know what is it your move? Kumari tiabiya kumyada all who name chandu. 1, 2, savili tiaka teli wakucha. Kati monte doi tu chilpiya. Kui chi sanchi, de nuna yo moche, de kuyo nya ku ile.
Here we go, y'all.
Okay, blue, blue, shoo. Kulu da shot the good, and shade the gun. What a cushion,
1, 2, 3.
Kulu come up on the love you got. You got your look, I chica.
Jump.
Kulu, you she walk in your shot. Looting to your chica.
We go. We're gonna jump one more time, alright? I'm gonna need you guys' energy. Been amazing, man. Make some noise for yourselves. Thank you guys for having me. My time is short, but meet me at the bar, alright? I'll see you guys soon.